What's up guys, this is Phil with Miranda Detailing. Welcome. So today we are going to clean up these dirty mats. These are our own personal mats that go in our Avalon. So we love the WeatherTechs. Our road gets really gross, grungy, so obviously the interior of our vehicle kind of suffers. That's why we got these. They cover the entire area, perfect. However, they still need cleaning, so let's clean these. So I'm using the Super Clean foaming cleaner. Let that sit on there for a while. Now you can see it already starting to break dirt and junk and grime. It's starting to dissolve it. Does a good job of breaking down all that nastiness. So be generous with it, especially if you have a really nasty mat. So I have a really stiff bristle brush here that I use for carpets sometimes. All right, so every square inch of this has been scrubbed. It's a little hard to do it one-handed, but you get the idea. So let's give these a rinse. So everything is cleaned and rinsed and just drying off. With a nice soft microfiber towel. I usually dry the backs first, then flip it over. That way you give time for the back of the mats to dry. Now if you want to go further, you can. So I have a lot of marks around here just from your feet. It gets ingrained in the grain of the plastic. You can take cleaner and a magic eraser, maybe a little bit more. And you can go a little bit further to remove that. Alright guys, so the mats are cleaned up. There's some things that aren't going to come out. Some deeper grunge and these other little marks that have just stained the plastic. But they look really nice and cleaned up. So we're going to put them back in the vehicle and we'll be good to go. But I use Super Clean Foamer. You can use Super Clean, the regular non-foaming. It works just as well with a nice stiff bristle brush. You can use a drill brush if you want. I have done that to mats like this. I haven't really seen a big difference doing it with that. Sometimes the texture of this plastic just holds on to grime, and the type of rubbery plastic it is also doesn't always clean up. So don't be disappointed if they don't clean up 100%. These didn't. So that's what happens sometimes. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it or benefit from it, and as always, subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And if you're interested in any of the tools or products that we use, then click up here. That goes to our dedicated page on our website where you can purchase these products easily. And don't forget about our apparel. So we have a ton of different t-shirts and hoodies that you can purchase, and if you click up here, that goes directly to our online store. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.